How to empty the bin on your Android phone? Here's how. First, open the Files app. If you can't find it, swipe up to open the app drawer and search for Files. Now, once you're in the Files app, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner. Now, select Bin. Here, you'll see all the files that have been deleted within the last 30 days. To permanently remove a file, tap and hold the file you want to delete. Then, tap Delete. Finally, tap Delete again to confirm. If you want to recover a file instead, simply tap Restore, and it will be added back to its original location. That's it. You've successfully emptied the bin on your Android phone and permanently deleted the selected files. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.